How to use Bybit Perpetual futures for beginners. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Bybit Perpetual futures for beginners. So to do that, first you have to fund your trading account. Just open your Bybit app, then tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Since I have a new account, so my account is not funded yet, but if you already have a fund in your account, tap Transfer and then select funding and move the USDT amount you want to use for trading. Now navigate to derivatives and then configure your trading settings. Then open a position, choose your order type, set amount, and then check take profit or stop loss box. Remember to use a stop loss as a beginner. Then tap buy if you believe the price will go up or sell if you believe the price will go down. Then once opened, your live trades will appear under the positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you can watch your real-time unrealized P&L, means profit and loss. To exit the trade manually at any time, simply tap close by or mark it in the positions tab. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.